Okay, so I am going to do this, then I will undo it, and you can do it. This is not a button you can push, unfortunately, so you won't see the keystroke. But on my keyboard, I am hitting Control and then the letter F, and as soon as I let go, up here you're going to see this box, Find in Sheet. This is almost what we want, but not quite. We actually want to come over here to the three dots beside it, click the More Options. I want to Find and Replace. So the last one we did, or the one at the top, is a 15,000. I'm going to type in exactly what I see on that column. So that's the way your store history looks. But that's not compatible, so I'm just going to change it to the number. So I want to replace all of the 15, comma, thousand, slash, zero, slash, zeros to just 15,000. And I'm going to hit Replace All. It's going to want to make sure I'm sure. I'm positive. I made sure I typed it right, and I'll click OK. And all of them changed. So I'm done with that. And is that the last one we've done? Yeah. So now you have proper ticket numbers all the way through the end of the piece we've done. Okay? Really not that hard. Control Find, More Options button, type in what you see, type in what you want it to be, and replace all. Done. Not hard.